our first video, the very first video. This is Ava.
Hi.
Yeah, we're best friends. And we also got
Best friend.
donuts.
Squishy donuts. We're going to put them on necklaces.
Wait,
It's
how?
going to go like this.
How?
Like a booty clip. Like a
Gil, what is...
Now we're doing squishy reveal.
And this bag is full with squishies.
Oh
And
my
then
goodness,
at
you
the
don't know
very
how
end-
excited I am. The squishy man did it. He's mysterious. We have to find him. He is actually, there's so many kids out here that I don't know who it could be. There's this man who packed this bag for us. So let's go ahead and get it.
Yeah. Okay, I don't know what's going to be in here. But
First,
let's see.
let's get each a squishy. Okay, I got one.
I got one. Okay.
Okay, mine's a pineapple. It's got a rip.
And
Rip
mine...
off. Get it? Rip off.
And mine was a unicorn, but look, it has ripped, it has a missing arm, everything's like missing on it. Look at the paint on the horn. Ugh.
Yeah.
That's not good. Yeah, again. Okay.
Okay, I found another one. Another pineapple. What? It's actually fruits. There's a strawberry.
That one ain't
There's
that bad,
grapes.
but let's see. Oh my god.
Rip off. Let's feel it though. Ready, guys? Look, look, look.
3, 2, 1.
Ooh, it feels good in there.
Ooh, this, but he
That's
gave
not really
me
a rip-off.
this. Ugh.
That's from Princess and the Frog. Say, get out of here. Princess and the Frog, get out of here. Now you reveal this one. On 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
It's okay.
That one actually don't have nothing
This
wrong with
one's
it.
actually mine.
And
this
this
one's
one-
Santa.
And this one, I gave her some of these, but...
No, I don't want that one. This one's one of mine. Santa. It's really nice.
We didn't even go through them. He said that some of them are hard, and
It's really weird. I think this one's mine, though, because he knows I love Christmas. Don't he? I love Christmas.
and I love diamonds, but look.
Oh, and by the way,
Ew.
look at the slime reveal real fast.
Yeah, because look, he gave us a slime and said, put it on your squishies.
Ugh. Okay, let's put it on.
It's not what?
It's not working.
It's not doing anything.
But usually it does. See, let's try it. Let's try it. It's not working. It's not working.
Well,
Let's try the sticky one. Not working.
okay, maybe we should just get more squishies. Maybe the other squishies in the bag might work. No.
A piece of French fries. Or
What?
potatoes. Pretend like we said it was potatoes because we didn't.
Okay,
Potatoes.
this is like potatoes. I don't know. Look at
Dragon
this.
head.
What? It's like whipped stuff. Like, I know this is whipped because look at the bottom.
Bread. Bread.
It's-
Like, for real. Get out of here, bread. Like, for real.
Oh no, the squishy!
Really? Another dinosaur? This time it's actually almost ripped off again, so get out of here. Get out.
Hey, don't push it out. Whoa. Okay.
Oh, mega. This is so cute.
Oh, let me see one. You take it out. Oh, this is cute.
Oh, it's so cute.
It's a cute little kitty. Oh my gosh.
Ooh, smell the face. Doesn't
Bye.
have a face.
We don't need you up in here no more. So we got this nasty.
A piece of nasty bread and.
It looks like a hot dog.
Yeah, maybe there's another side. We'll see. I think I found. Oh, I found it.
Okay, so. Oh no. Okay. How are we gonna fix
It's like
it?
this.
Wait, no, maybe on the. Wait. Oh, we did it. But.
Pretend like we fixed it. We fixed it.
Okay.
Daddy, nope. Apologies. It actually sounded like I actually ripped it.
Okay, so.
Our next reveal is unicorn.
Wait, we done did that.
No, we didn't. Oh. You put one back there. Go!
I got
That's
one.
what it was. Oh,
Oh!
French fries.
It was French fries. Okay, hold the camera for a second. I need to do this right. Yeah.
Okay, so we got a burger as well.
Just me.
I put that on my mouth. Whoops.
Okay, I guess I kind of fixed it. Nope. Okay.
It's been 4 minutes already, and we are literally, yeah. You want to hide the squishies and find them?
Yeah, let's do
Okay, so
that.
I'm going to have to find them, so I'll have the camera.
Yeah. Okay. So we got the squishy, and we're not gonna view no more to the end because yeah.
All right, let's
So
go.
it's time to hide all these. So here you go, Gil.
Gotta
How about
close
we
my
hide
eyes.
the bag? No. Just talk to the video. We're gonna pause the video, and we see you guys in a snap for you. Yay!
We need this. Let's get this on the porch.
Okay, so she's gonna be kneading the slime while I'm gonna be hiding this because it's really bad. So I'll see you guys after I hide it. Okay, it's her turn to hold the camera, so here you go.
Got my hands all yucky. So let's go find it. Okay. Let's go find it.
So we're going to find it.
I feel like I'm close. You're like giving me the creeps. She said it's not close, so let's go further.
What?
I just saw something. Chris! Talking to my mama's boyfriend. So let's find this. I found it, guys! The LOL surprise! Let's take it before she catches me.
Hey, come back here!
Got it. Okay, guys. Well, we'll see you after.
Wait, what are you talking about? What are you about to do?
The video's over. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
Bye!